Have you ever wondered how businesses actually keep track of their money and how that system even started? That's where accounting comes in, and it's one of the most important foundations of finance. Accounting is a process of recording, organizing, and analyzing financial information. In simple terms, it is how individuals and businesses track money coming in, money going out, and understand their financial position. By accounting, but accounting didn't just appear overnight. It has a long history. Thousands of years ago, ancient civilizations used basic record-keeping systems to track trade and resources. But modern accounting really began to take shape in the 15th century with a system called double entry bookkeeping. The system was formalized by Luca Pacioli, who is often called the father of accounting. I don't even know if I even said that name correctly. The idea behind double entry bookkeeping is simple but powerful. Every financial transaction affects at least two accounts. For example, if a business's buy equipment increases assets but decreases cash, this system helps ensure an accounting balance. Over time, accounting evolved into a structured profession with standards, regulations, and specialized rules. Today, it plays a critical role in businesses, governments, and even personal finance. Now, let's bring this into the modern world. Today, accounting isn't just about writing numbers in books. It involves using software, analyzing data, and helping businesses make informed decisions. There are different areas within accounting as well. There's a lot of stuff. Financial accounting focuses on preparing reports like income statements and balance sheets. Managing accounting helps businesses make internal decisions like budgeting and cost control. And tax accounting deals with calculating and filing taxes correctly. So, what does it take to become an accountant today? Modern accounting jobs require a mix of technical and practical skills. You need to understand financial response principles but also be comfortable with tools like spreadsheets and accounting software. Attention to detail is crucial because even small errors can have big consequences. And analytical thinking is also important because accounting is no longer just about recording data, it's about interpreting and helping guide decisions. In many cases, professional qualifications are required as well, depending on the country and role. But here's something important to understand. A common misunderstanding is thinking accounting is just boring number crunching. In reality, it is a key part of decision making in any organization. Without accounting, businesses wouldn't know if they are making a profit or heading towards a loss. Another misconception is that accounting hasn't changed much. In fact, technology is transforming the field rapidly, with automation and data analysis becoming more important than ever. So, what's the key takeaway? Well, it is this: accounting is the system that tracks and explains how money moves. It started with simple record keeping centuries ago and has evolved into a modern data driven profession that supports decision making in every business. And once you understand accounting, you're not just looking at numbers, you're understanding the story behind them. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.